Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to make a part 2 to the video I made yesterday. So yesterday I made a video on about the 4 credit cards I want you guys to avoid or cancel. So if you have these credit cards, I wanted you guys to go ahead and cancel the credit card, or if you don't have it, just avoid it. Now this is the thing, there's 5 different reasons why I tell people not to cancel a credit card, and I kind of explained a few things inside the video, but I want to explain more of them here. So I actually made sure I wrote them down for you to make sure I go over each point for you. So let's get right on into the video. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and yeah, I'll make sure I answer them for you. So the first thing is, if you're buying a house or if you're buying a car, I'll say within the next 6 months, I don't want you to cancel the credit card. Now, even though those credit cards have horrible fees, high fees, I don't want you to cancel the credit card, because when you go ahead and cancel a credit card, it's not going to report to the credit bureaus anymore, and usually your credit score is going to drop temporarily. And I feel as if in 6 months your credit score can go back up so that you can buy a house. But if you're buying a house in 3 months, then you're not going to have enough time for your credit score to go up. And the same thing with a card too, is going to drop your credit score when you cancel a credit card. And some people may ask, why are you going to cancel a credit card? You want to cancel those credit cards though that have horrible fees when you actually get other credit cards. So do not cancel your credit card if you're looking to buy a house within the next 6 months. Now, the next one is, if you all are moving into a rental, like I said, if you're going to go ahead and rent a property, rent an apartment, then you don't want to go ahead and cancel that credit card either, or credit cards. Now, the reason why you don't want to cancel your credit cards is because of this. It's the same thing. Your credit score is going to drop, and a lot of people don't know. If they haven't moved in a while, if you are moving right now, then you know that they're going to check your credit and see if they're going to allow you to move into their property. If your credit score is too low, if you have problems with your credit, then you're not going to get that property. So I want you guys to have your credit score higher. So please do not cancel your credit cards until you actually get into the property that you want to get into. Then after that, then you can think about canceling your credit card. If you are going to apply for a loan, then that would be the third reason why I would tell you do not cancel your credit card. So if you're applying for a loan, say you want to get a $10,000 loan, until you get that loan, you don't want to do anything to change your credit, and canceling your credit card can lower your credit score. So you do not want to cancel your credit card if you are looking to get a loan. After you get your loan, then you can go ahead and cancel your credit card. But just make sure you want to think about it. If you're doing anything within the next 6 months, I mean, if you later on say you want to buy a car, buy a house, remember, you're going to have like a 6-month gap where your credit score can be low because you closed that account. So keep that in mind, you all. Just make sure you get that loan first, and then you think about if you still want to close that credit card. Now, last but not least, I know I told you all you should cancel credit cards. Like, this is the biggest one. I said, oh, you should cancel these credit cards because the fees were horrible. Over $170, $150 for fees that you're paying to sign up for with this credit card. I don't think so. But you may have to keep that credit card open if you do not have at least 4 credit cards. So when you get these loans, when you get these credit cards and they have these horrible fees, then you want to, at that moment, or at least I'll say the following month, when you see your credit score go up, at that time you want to apply for more credit cards. And I want them to be like normal credit cards. And when I say normal credit cards, I don't want them to be credit cards where the fees, your annual fees is, you know, over $40. It's just going to be ridiculous. I really want you all to have no annual fees. So these credit cards can be, like I told you all, it can be the Capital One credit cards, it can be Discover credit cards, and it could be the Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. And I'm going to go over each of these credit cards with you all next. But you want to apply for a credit card that's with like a bank, that's not with these subprime lenders. Basically, you want to get a good credit card that you can keep for a long time. The key thing and why your credit score is dropping when you cancel a credit card is because they want you to keep your credit open and extend it for a long period of time. So I always tell people, you want to keep your credit card accounts open. You do not want to cancel any of your credit card accounts, even if you're not using them. But in that case, you wanted to go ahead and cancel those type of credit cards because the fees were just too high. It's no point even having them. So let's go ahead and look at these credit cards. And if you all have any additional questions, definitely let me know. But let's go ahead and look at these credit cards that I definitely suggest that you all go ahead and apply for. Okay, you guys, so let's get into the 3 credit cards I think you guys should apply for. And let me tell you why I think you guys should apply for these credit cards. I think you should apply for these credit cards if you don't have at least 4 credit cards. Is because they have credit cards from different ranges. So if you have bad credit, horrible credit, you can't get a credit card, they have secure credit cards for you. If you have good credit, they have credit cards that you can actually get too, so you don't have to worry about having annual fees or anything like that. And if you have excellent credit, they have credit cards for you. They have awesome rewards. And even if you were to have bad credit, some of these credit cards even have rewards for you, like the Capital One, for instance. Let's get right on into it. The Capital One right here, they have their secure Quicksilver. That is 1.5% cash back. Now, Capital One, you guys can see if you can get pre-approved for a credit card with them. So I just want to show you that even if you have bad credit, if you have bad credit, you can get 1.5% cash back with their Quicksilver Secure Rewards credit card. But you can go ahead and see if they can pre-qualify you, and then they'll let you know exactly how much you pre-qualify for, they'll let you know which credit card they can possibly pre-qualify you for. As soon as you go ahead and apply for that credit card, they'll let you know exactly how much you're approved for. And it's not going to hurt your credit to see if you're approved for a credit card. So definitely check that out. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Discover. Now, with the Discover credit cards, you guys, it's so many different credit cards you guys can actually get. If you all want to have like the 0% APR, they have that for you. If you guys want to get a secure credit card, you just want to get in the game, you need to get a credit card, they have a secure credit card for you. So I really want you all to click right here to check now to see if you actually approved for the Discover credit card. Now, the next company I want to talk to you guys about is Navy Federal Credit Union. So a lot of people, they want to get like a home loan. They want to get regular loans. So I always tell people, get an account with Navy Federal Credit Union and start building a relationship with them. So you want to go ahead and see if they can pre-qualify you for any of their credit cards. And if they pre-qualify you for a credit card, I suggest you all go ahead and sign up for that credit card. Now, if you have bad credit, then I want you all to understand that they do have a secure credit card for you also. So they're not going to exclude you. So many credit cards on here. If you have good credit, if you have great credit, you can almost get any credit card. The question is, when you have bad credit, which credit cards can you get? Which is why a lot of people are in this situation for the video we talk about today, because they had some bad credit cards. So these credit cards, they don't have annual fees. The only credit card, and I'm talking secured, well, actually, their secure credit cards, they don't have any annual fees. The only fee, if you have if you want to get a credit card with Capital One, they're going to have an annual fee on their Quicksilver One Rewards credit card. So it's going to be a $39 annual fee with that credit card, but you get the 1.5% cash back. But I want you all to go ahead, find out which company can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card and get you a credit card if you do not already have a credit card. And I talked about this in a previous video. I want to make sure I go over it again, just so you all know. You guys still have the option of getting that Kickoff account. Have you all seen that? The Kickoff account, somebody credit scores went up 74 points from getting that Kickoff account. So definitely go ahead and get that Kickoff account. And here is my Kickoff account here. I didn't know I was going to sign all the way in, but it went ahead and signed me in. So with the Kickoff account I have right here, if you don't have a credit card and your credit score is really bad, they're reporting a $500 credit card or credit line onto my credit report. And I showed you all another client where they signed up for that Kickoff account and their credit scores went up 74 points. So if you need a credit card, then they'll report that $500 credit line onto your credit report, and your credit score should shoot up because now you're going to have this account onto your credit reports. Now, I don't count this as like just a total credit card that you're going to, like a credit card that you want to keep forever. I do not count this as that. And reason why I don't consider certain credit cards as accounts that you want to keep forever is because they may have an annual fee. If they do not allow increases, as you grow, you should get more. They should extend more credit to you. If they don't allow increases, I don't think it's a card that you should keep forever. And if you have like horrible fees with interest rates, if you have a horrible APR with a credit card, then I suggest that you guys, as you grow and get more credit, then you may want to cancel, especially if you have horrible fees with that company. But go ahead. I have all these links down below. Go ahead and apply for these credit cards. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I want to make sure I stay on top of my YouTube a little bit more with my comments, because I'm starting to get more comments and it's like, so many. But I will make sure I answer all your questions that you may have. Go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And again, I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.